To begin, you're going to need some type of a bowl. This could be a plastic bowl, a paper bowl, any basic type of bowl. And then you want something to act as a resist so that you can still pull your clay out when you're done. So I'm using plastic wrap here. You could also use a plastic bag, a tissue, a slightly damp paper towel, some vegetable oil, or cooking spray. Any of those work. Once your bowl is prepared, you're going to take one of your coils and decide how you want to arrange it. So go ahead and get your coil and begin twisting it or shaping it or putting it in whatever design that you want it to be. So here I'm going to just curl it up like a spiral. Once I get it the size that I want, I'm going to pinch the clay off and add it to my bowl. I'm going to continue making my design. So here I'm making spirals for the base and I'm adding them to the bottom of my bowl until I get the base design that I want completed. Every once in a while you'll find that you need to roll your coil a little bit thinner to make the design. Now that I have the base design down, I have to figure out where I want to go from here. What do I want to do next? So I'm going to get a longer coil and I'm going to create a coil base that goes all the way around my 5 spirals just to finish off the top of that design and give me a base for the next level of my design. You can do a lot of things with coils. So here I'm going to go ahead and create kind of an arch shape or like a little rainbow to go on top of my base layer. It's nice to play with them before adding them to your bowl and kind of decide what works and what doesn't. And sometimes when you add it, you realize it doesn't work as well as you thought it would. So you just adjust as you go. Once you get a base layer of a design down, you need to fill in the little spaces. So you can actually use little balls of clay to fill in those little spaces so that there's clay everywhere when you begin to smooth it out. At this point, you want to go in and smooth out all the coils on the inside so that you don't have to slip and score them all in place. You need to be careful when you're smoothing them out that you're not actually squishing the other side of them because you want the outside of your bowl to still show the visible coils. So just be careful of how much you're squishing them, but you are smoothing out the inside. Also, smooth out the rim. When you're done, allow it to become leather hard so that you can take it out of the bowl and smooth out any areas on the exterior too.